Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Yakami France Company. So on today's video, I want to take you to do something which is incredible to the skin, which is nice to the skin. What I want to talk about today's video, it is Francoise Bedon Caviar Lotion. The one you're seeing, I don't know you will seeing it clearly, but this is what I want us to talk about today. We are going to dive in and see its benefit, we should use this product, and when you use it, what results do you expect? So don't forget to subscribe, share to your friend. If you find this video very useful, share, comment, so that and keep on giving you this nice amazing video. So without wasting time, let's talk about this caviar lotion. And we are going to start with the person supposed to use it, then we go to benefit. This caviar is made for half caste skin, okay? Black and half caste. So if your skin is black, chocolate, or mixed brown, you can use this caviar lotion. So let us look at its benefit. The first benefit is it lightens up the skin. When you say about lightening up the skin, it is not the same like bleaching, whitening, like that. It lightens up the skin, meaning it increases on the skin color. Okay. Another benefit, it brightens the skin. This one, the one I'm holding right now. Most people mistaken the word brightening, lightening, whitening, bleaching. They think they mean the same. But let us see brightening. When I say about brightening, here I mean evening out skin tone. When you use this product, it brightens your skin, whereby it evens out your skin tone by giving you that uniform color. Not like this face you're brown, this side you're chocolate, no. But when you use this Francoise Bedon Caviar Lotion, you will get a uniform skin tone, or what you call skin color, when you use this caviar. Another benefit is still on brightening. It removes scars and marks. They reduce. By the time you finish up this product, you should be visible free from marks and scars. Another benefit still on brightening, it helps to reduce or remove hyperpigmentation. The reason why I don't say remove, it is because this one works gradually, slowly. As you keep on using it, you're seeing the results. So it reduces hyperpigmentation. By the time you use this product, or by the time you're about to finish it, you'll be free from hyperpigmentation because of the ingredients which are there. So that one we are done. That's the first benefit. Second benefit, first benefit was lightening up the skin. Another benefit was brightening up the skin, and I've talked about brightening and hope you have picked up the point in that. Another benefit of using this product, it nourishes the skin. When I talk about nourishing, most people they mistaken because they hear the word nourishing. Nourishing is to feed the skin, to make it look more healthier and glowing. And our skin needs this vitamin. Vitamin E for nourishing, and also vitamin C. So you find that this lotion, they contain those vitamins which are needed by our skin to be nourished. So when you nourish your skin, that's when you find someone's skin is looking healthy, it is smooth, it is looking nice, and it is also having a small glow. Another benefit, it moisturizes the skin. When we talk about moisturizing, this is to add moisture or water into the skin. Meaning, even people with dry skin, they can use this lotion. When your skin doesn't have enough water, that's where you start, your skin will be dry, will become dry, and it will be like it will be hard and it will have a rough texture. But when your skin is moisturized, for example, when you use this product, it will moisturize your skin, whereby you will see your skin becoming smooth again, becoming soft again, the texture will improve, and also it will develop some glowing, because the skin which has enough water, that skin looks good and healthy. So better get this product if you're having a dry skin, or in the future you're expecting your skin to become dry. So better get this PR Francoise Bedon Caviar Lotion. Another benefit, it smoothens the skin and also soothes the skin. When we talk about smoothening, it is to your skin to be soft, your skin to be pleasing, and also giving you that appearance, the one you desire. It will be soft, it will be nice. Okay. Another thing, it improves the skin texture. This one I've explained it in the moisturization. Okay, when your skin is not moisturized very well, that means your skin texture will fade away. Another thing about this PR Francoise Bedon Caviar, it can be used by all skin types. Whether your skin is sensitive, whether your skin is dry, whether your skin is oily, whether your skin is, this lotion is the solution. It can work on all skin types. Okay, so it doesn't come alone, it comes with other compression products, okay, or additional products to it. So this one, I was talking about this lotion, but there is also its serum, PR Francoise Bedon Caviar Serum. It is also there. And there is also PR Francoise Bedon Caviar Soap, this one. And there is also PR Francoise Bedon Caviar Cream. So when you combine all these products, they make a full set of PR Francoise Bedon Caviar package. This one soap, you bathe it before applying this. This serum, you mix it into this lotion for better results. And this cream is for face. That's all about PR Francoise Bedon Caviar Lotion. And another thing before I end up, this lotion is on discount, since we always give discounts to our clients in every month we enter in. So when you get this product, if you want this product, you can get it with a discount. This one, the one I'm holding, Caviar Lotion. We are in October special promotion. So please better get it before this October ends, because we have a limited stock of this PR Francoise Bedon Caviar Lotion. We have also other PR Francoise Bedon, but keep on watching, subscribe, click that notification bell so that you could be getting updated about our videos whenever we post them. Okay? And another thing, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on every social media platform. Yakami France Company, your Facebook, Yakami France Company, Instagram, Yakami France Company, TikTok, on every social media platform. And also keep on watching for the next video.